Guys, Sean with UHI Machinery. We're going to be doing a walkthrough of the UTL 625 telehandler that's brand new to our line of product here in Canada. We dive into it. This unit is 5.4 tons. The lifting capacity is 5,500 pounds. And the lifting height is just under 20 feet. In second gear, you could drive about 28 kilometers an hour. As you can see, the unit is very compact, very agile, as it comes with 3 wheel options placements, allowing you to maneuver in whatever terrain you're in. I'm gonna dive into what's under the hood, what's in the interior, show you how this thing works. Let's get to it. All right, guys, so the powerhouse under the hood, it's a 3.3 liter Kubota V3307. It's 4 cylinders and has 73 horsepower. If we talk about the hydraulics on this thing, the pump has 23 gallons per minute, and the hydraulic system runs at about 3,400 PSI. Now I'm gonna bring you inside, show you all the key features in the cabin.
Once in the cabin, on the left side of your steering wheel is your heating controls. On your steering wheel, the left flasher is used to control your lights as well as your turn indicators. On the right flasher, it's used to control the front and back wipers. Your screen gives you a lot of important information regarding the unit's status, including the hour counter, speedometer, engine temperature, fuel level, boom angle, and lift capacity indicator. Moving down to your main switches, the 2 first are your spotlight switches. Next is the hydraulic flow lock, cylinder lock, main hydraulic lock switch, your parking brake. On the right side, we have the regen switches. Here we have our wheel placement selector. First is front and rear axle steering in opposite directions, mainly used for tight turning. Next is front axle steering. Lastly is front and rear axle steering in same direction, or commonly known as crab walk steering. So now to your main joystick. Very standard forward backwards gear selector. The blue button is for your high-low. The first sliding switch is to control your auxiliary, if attached of course. The second is for your boom extension. This joystick also controls your boom lift and tilt, just like a standard joystick in any other unit. If we move a little further back, the first is your tilt lock. The second is a security bypass, but it needs to be used with caution and proper judgment. Then we have our top window wiper, warning, and hazard light switches. A little further back is your Bluetooth radio with speakers throughout the cab so you can connect and play your favorite playlist while getting the job done. Lastly is your fully adjustable operator seat, made for ultimate comfort and lengthy work hours. Here is a demonstration of the different wheel pattern selections to give you guys a good visual of its maneuverability. As you can see, here is when the axles turn in opposite direction. Then we have the front axle steering, and lastly our crab walk. Also is very stable in the snow with its low center of gravity and its compact design. And finally, a little demonstration of the boom to its max height to give you guys a visual of its boom extension.
Alright guys, so that just about wraps up the UTL 625 telehandler. It's a very interesting product made for multiple purposes. We dive into the pricing, $72,400, very competitive price, can't beat that anywhere for quality as well. It includes bucket, forks, a 3-year warranty, or 2,000 working hours. That covers you A to Z. Only things that aren't covered, wear and tear parts, such as tires, lights, mirrors, those kind of things. These are brand new to Canada, brand new to our product line, going very fast. Come check them out before they're gone.